Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Math, Grade 3, Quarter 1, Lesson 1, Day 4. Our topic for today is find the area of a rectangle in square centimeters. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies. Illustrate and estimate the area of a square or rectangle using square tile units. Explore inductively the derivation of the formulas of the areas of a square and a rectangle using square tile units. Find the areas of squares and rectangles in square centimeters and square meters, and solve problems involving area of squares and rectangles. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to find the area of a rectangle in square centimeters. Day 4. Bring out your ruler. Locate a length of 1 centimeter in your ruler. Then, using your fingers, illustrate a length of 1 centimeter. Can you identify a part of your body that is about 1 centimeter long? Can you draw a square that has length of 1 centimeter on its side? Our lesson for today is to find the area of a rectangle and square in square centimeter. Let's read these words. Centimeter, cm, square centimeter, square centimeter, length, width, side, area, formula, rectangle, square, unit of measure, one centimeter square, show a cutout of a square with length of 1 cm on its side and compare it with their drawing. How do you find the area of a square? Answer: to find the area of a square, multiply the length of its sides or use the formula A equals S times S. What is the area of the 1 centimeter square cutout if its side is 1 centimeter long? Answer: the area of the cutout is 1 square centimeter because 1 times 1 is 1. A equals S times S. A equals 1 times 1. A equals 1 square centimeter or 1 square centimeter. Find the area of each shape if its sides are measured in centimeter. Show how you got your answer. Let's answer. Number 1, area is equal to 16 square centimeters. Number 2, area is equal to 35 square centimeters. Number 3, area is equal to 45 square centimeters. Number 4, area is equal to 16 square centimeters. Number 5, area is equal to 90 square centimeters. Let's try this. Get the area, use the formula. Here's numbers 1 to 5. What do you notice about the rectangles or squares in numbers 1 and 2? Answer: there are 1 centimeter grids inside the rectangles. What is the area of the rectangle or square 1 and 2? Answer: number 1, area is equal to 35 square centimeters. Number 2, area is equal to 16 square centimeters. How did you find the area of the rectangles or squares? Answer: for the rectangle, we multiplied the length by its width. For the square, we multiplied the length of its two sides. How did you know the length of the sides of the rectangles and squares? Answer: the sides of each square inside the rectangle is 1 centimeter. The number of squares along the sides of the rectangle can tell the length of its sides. Is there a need to draw the squares inside the rectangles and squares? Answer: there is no need to draw the squares because the length of the rectangles can be determined by the tick marks. For letter B, the length, width, and area of the rectangles are as follows. Number 1, 36 square centimeters. Number 2, 30 square centimeters. Number 3, 12 square centimeters. Generalizations. How do you find the area of a rectangle? Answer: we can find the area of a rectangle by multiplying its length by its width or using the formula area equals L times W. how do you find the area of a square? Answer, we can find the area of a square by multiplying the length of its sides or using the formula area equals S times S. What is the unit of measure for area if the length of sides of the rectangle or square is in centimeters? Answer, the unit of measure for the area of a rectangle or square if the length of the sides is in centimeters is square centimeters. What is the symbol for square centimeters? Square centimeters. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!